Hi, this is Sebastian from Clearlight Saunas, and this is our portable solution. And it's the only design that works where you still are completely surrounded by infrared therapy heat. Overall, it has a mat that is heated, and it has the same far infrared heaters in there, ultra low EMF that you would find in all our cabins as well. So what's really important to know here is that this is many generations of different heaters that have evolved to mimic the infrared that the body also gives off, which is called resonance frequencies, and it does amazing things, including detoxing the body really well, but also creating vessel dilation, which is something that relaxes the body a lot and widens your blood vessels. Starting with the mat here, you can see this is made out of a non-toxic, really comfortable memory foam, and in the middle it has the heaters, and that goes all the way through to the end. So you're completely surrounded by infrared therapy, but at the same time your head sticks out, which is a really comfortable thing, and Ayurvedic practitioner would actually support having the head not heating, because that causes extra stress as our head doesn't sweat and reduce body temperature as well as the rest of our body can do. We have everything covered with an organic hemp, and the structure is made out of sustainably harvested wood. This is Johannes, also from Clearlight Saunas. And Johannes, if you push back the dome here, you can see how easy it folds off. This portable solution can become quite small, sort of like that high, that wide, and stores away.
This is probably 7-8 kilograms, and I can easily lift it, and that's by far the biggest part. So on the inside you can actually see all the heaters. They're covered with an organic cotton cloth.
We actually control the 3 different parts of the sauna in different ways. So the mat has its own controller. This is the main controller box for the main heaters. There's a top heater and there's a lower heater, and both are individually controlled. If you can make it sort of 30 to 40 minutes, that's a really good time. And if you do that frequently, meaning every day or every second day, you will quickly see that you experience pain relief as well as weight loss, and overall just a natural glow of your skin, which comes naturally with infrared therapy.
This product itself, because it's part of the Clearlight Jacuzzi brand, also comes with a lifetime warranty. We have, lots of people using it in their living rooms, in their bedrooms. They store it away after, but it's also a great product for any practitioners. And due to the closeness to the heaters, it's actually a really effective unit. So it only needs 5 to 10 minutes to preheat. We certainly enjoyed introducing our portable infrared sauna with low EMF technology. And we do hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.